Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a super quick Forever 21 try on haul. I just got these things in the mail and it's actually like the smallest order I've placed in a long time. Actually, I haven't placed an order at all, so it's a really small haul, but it's very cute. So I want to show you guys what I got before I make myself some lunch because I'm freaking starving and I still have all of this furniture here. My house is still under, well, the balcony is still under construction, so I still can't use my studio room. I can't film, I can't really do anything. So that's why it's gonna be a super informal one, and we're gonna do it here really quickly. So everything's gonna be linked below. I didn't wanna wait until my studio's fixed because by the time they fix it and I actually film this haul, everything's probably gonna be out of stock. So I wanna film it today since I just got it, and that way you guys can get your hands on some of these things. So we are gonna start off with these really cute shirts. Let's see how we're gonna do this. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And let's get right on to the haul. Okay, ready? First one, this I had gotten one very similar, but it was long sleeve and it was from Urban Outfitters. More expensive and also it was long sleeve, so it's super, super hot. This one, on the other hand, it's like super sheer, really light, still able to wear during the summer. And then you can pair this with some jeans for a super casual look. I think it's super cute and comfortable. It does have a lower butt, so you can like cover your booty. And I got it in this color and also in this cream. This I got in a size medium. So it is pretty baggy, but it is supposed to fit like that. So I didn't want to size down and then it'd be too small. You can also undo this knot and make it smaller or not as tight. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, so it's kind of just like long in the front, but it is supposed to go with this knot here, so you can leave it like that. I don't know how much this one is. I'll list everything below, but this is from another brand. It's Jolie. Next up, I'm super into like the whole cheetah print thing. And is it leopard or cheetah? I don't even know. This one's like a mini crop. I feel like I would wear this at night with like some black pants and then a cute little leather jacket, something like that. Obviously I have this little sports bra on, but it's like a really small top, just like a strappy cami. And I got it in a medium and it's $5.90. Yes, $5, well $6. But I think it's super cute. Loving this. Also with like some high-waisted shorts or jeans, like with a black belt and some loafers would look cute. You know, ideas. And then I got this one. I'm gonna try it on because I don't have a top to try it on with under. Actually, yes I do. This blazer, I got it in a medium and it was $24. I think that this is adorable because right now these like kind of tailored plaid blazers are super in, but like it's something that I'm probably not going to wear too many times, so I'm not about to spend like $100 something on this. But this one's only $24 and it's cute and it's like a nice fabric. It does feel a little itchy. I'm super picky with itchy stuff. I need to have like everything super soft. Feels a little bit itchy, not gonna lie, like on the inside, but nothing that like, you know, is bad. I don't even have anywhere to wear these things to, so I kind of just like stock up on clothes and then not leave my house. So moving on to activewear. I'm super bloated, but these pants, I don't think I have made a Forever 21 haul video and not mentioned these pants because they are thebomb.com and they're pretty cheap. So they are $14 and they're my favorite leggings ever because they're seamless, so like they kind of just hug you in all the right places. They make your butt look nice. They're squat proof. I don't know about these, but the black ones are. The fabric is like super stretchy while compressing. It does have like a really thick waistband. So you can like pull it over your belly button. It'll be like compressing here. And I just think they're super comfortable. I love that they don't have seams because they're just like more comfy. They don't cut you in like any of the wrong places. And I think they're more flattering, or at least for my body type. So love these, and these are the new colors that came out. I also got them in this nude color, which I'll try on for you guys, but my camera's already heating up, so let's see. And then this ribbed tank top. It's also from their activewear section. It's a medium and it was $10. I've been wearing these a lot to go work out because it's really hot in my gym, because it's like outdoors, kind of like open gym. So it gets really hot in there. And sometimes I just use this without a bra, and it's like compressing enough that I don't need anything else. And it's also not see-through, so I love that. It also comes in olive and I think nude, so you can wear it with this and nude pants. Hi, baby. Say hi. Mwah. Okay, next up I got this, which is so cute. This one is in a size medium and it's $19.90, so almost 20 bucks. It's super soft, and what I love about these is that they make them such thin material that they're still like wearable here in Miami, because one, I'm always hot, always. Not just because I live in Miami, but like my house is freezing and I'm still hot. So it's really hard for me to get to wear my cute little sweaters. I'm already putting this on backwards. And it's annoying because usually the soft furry ones I can't ever wear because I'm dying of heat. So I like when they make sweaters like this. I really appreciate it because, you know, I want to look cute while not be like sweating bullets, you know? So this one has a little hoodie. I know they also had it in gray, and I think they had it in black. But what I really loved about this one, not only is the fabric super soft, but look at the back. Can you guys see the back? It has like cutouts, you know? It also has little pockets, and it's thin. Yes, love it. I'm gonna try these on for you guys. I'm not gonna lie, these leggings, I've gotten them in all the colors and 2 different sizes. And every time they go out of stock, I feel like they come back and do them with different materials. Sometimes I love them, sometimes I don't. But they had a batch that didn't have any stretch. It was like way too small. And I think it was also a little bit see-through. I didn't like that batch. I didn't like that. And I don't know if you guys purchased it when they came out with those, but this fabric's a lot better. Like, look at how much give this has. And this is a small, guys. Like, I'm pretty big. I'm a 6 to an 8 in pant sizes, and I wear small, and it's compressing enough, but it's like, it fits me good, you know? It's tight around here. I don't know if it's squat proof. We'll do the test now. Is it? I can't tell. And then I'm also 5'3", so normally leggings I have like a roll up here, and these I don't. These are like pretty nice length for petite girls like me. I'm out of breath. Last item. This is like not a flattering look right now. No, it's not the same tank top as the one that I just had on. This one actually has a built-in sports bra, which is super compressing. So if you're not all about having your tatas running around in that tank top and the other one, I would suggest getting this one because it's 2-in-1. It's not ribbed, so it's like a smooth material. But this was 14 bucks. I got it in a medium, and it's like a sports bra and a top in one. And I love that it's like not bulging me on another level. Like, yeah, it's normal to get some back fat, but it's not like out of control. And it's very compressing. It's pretty tight. I would say like a medium impact. Yes, we finished before my camera died. Okay, so already 5 p.m. Goal of the day is to finish, well, I finished the video, but to edit this video and upload it and link everything for you guys before tonight. If I don't do that, it'll be up tomorrow. But yeah, I'm so happy with this purchase. I almost want to purchase more, but I know I shouldn't. And I feel like I buy too many clothes that I don't use because I don't really go out much. Story of my life. Okay, my camera died. I literally have like a minute to say goodbye because if not, it's gonna heat up again. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you guys want to see next. Oh, also, if you haven't checked out my Poshmark closet, make sure to check it out because I have a ton of stuff that I just uploaded to my closet. I made a bunch of new listings and I have a ton of stuff. So it's very marked down. A lot of things are brand new. I haven't even used them. They just either didn't fit or I just have had them and haven't used them, and I'm doing closet cleanouts like weekly. So make sure to check that out. I will leave a link in the description box for you guys to download the app or to go directly to my closet if you already had the app. So make sure to check it out. I ship out stuff super quickly, and I promise it will be in the best condition ever. You can send me a message through there or an offer for an item, and I can also send you pictures of things if you feel like you haven't seen it perfectly in the pictures I have uploaded. So thank you guys for watching. Love you.